as gamers playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, any other game that you can play, you need a headset. Now, you're looking on the market for many different headsets. There's a ton of options available. Now, depending on which console you're playing on, you can choose one. Well, I found this one, which is by Tritton, which many people know. This is for PS4, Xbox One, and mobile devices. So if you have mobile games, you could do it as well. So now first, I want to say thank you, Tritton, for sending this out to me for review. And I'm doing an honest review. This is not getting paid for, not a sponsor. They just sent me one of their products so I can review it and review on Amazon and YouTube. So, without further ado, we have the box. Looking around the box, we have the Tritton logo in orange. On the back, we have all the specs. You can pause that. And then on the other side, we have a picture of the headset. On the bottom, contents. Top. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. So I did open this and test this out. It does work. It sounds amazing. And it is overall comfortable. Now the ergonomic design itself is just amazing. The price, you're like, wow, this is a steal. Like, this is honestly a steal. This seems like a $40, $50 headset because it's so amazing. Okay, let's take that off. So here it is. Got the little swivel action. And we also have this part. Alright, so this is the little adapter part right here, where you can change the volume. So the volume rocker up and down. You also have this part, the mute button. Just slide that. Let me get a close-up of that, so you can see it. So as you can see, that's the mute button. And it says Tritton on there. It says Kama on there as well. So, yeah, so it's an overall comfortable design. Has, like, so much cushion right here, which is great, because if you're playing for very long hours of gaming, it won't hurt your head. Because I know the Xbox One stereo headset, which I also have, it hurts after like 4 hours or 5. So I just switch off by don't use it anymore. But this one's super comfortable, and I feel like I could play this for forever. Like, this is so comfortable. Like, oh my gosh, like it's like from a different planet. So amazing. Like, just the pads are super comfortable. It's soft. It also has the Tritton logo on the mic. The mic sounds amazing. I told my friends, and they're like, wow, you sound exactly how you do in person. And I'm like, yeah. I'm like, what headset do you have? I'm like, I have the Tritton Kama headset, the upgraded version. And they're like, oh, I'm gonna go buy that. I'm like, okay, yeah. Go ahead, do that. Because don't hesitate in buying this, guys. I would honestly buy this for all my cousins, and then give them as gifts, because this is such an amazing headset. I feel like they should have the same experience that I have while playing games. So, yeah, here's the cable. It's pretty good. Good length as well. Feels nice, actually. It's like a nice rubber. So yeah, it's a very amazing headset. Like, very comfortable when I put it on. I'm gonna put it on, but not show you. Nice noise cancellation. Sorry. Wow. I can hardly even hear myself speak. And it's not even on. So this is a stereo headset, as I said, that's very comfortable. And then when I take it off, it's like I'm out from silence. It's like when I put it on, it feels like I'm in another world. But when I take it off, I'm like, oh, I'm back in the same world. Yeah, oh my gosh. It's such an amazing headset, I'm not lying. The other headset I reviewed, the Sender's ZK-HS018, those headsets are okay. This one, for $1 or $2 more, you get 10 times better sound quality. It feels way better. And the other headset, that one, you can't even, it just slips off. It doesn't even fit in your head that much. This one does not do that. It fits on perfectly, sounds great. You can hear enemy footsteps from super far away. You can hear breathing, you can hear everything. You literally hear your surroundings. So you'll know when you're playing Call of Duty. I'm a professional Call of Duty player. I don't go in the tournaments, but I am a professional, not lying. Or at least I think I'm a professional because I'm pretty good. Not, I have like a couple nukes, not like 300 or 400. I'm getting there. I have like 210. No, wait. No, because yesterday I got 2. Yeah, whatever. But this is going to help me get so many nukes. With that DNA bomb that I got, that's with no headset at all. And I got that nuclear. With this one, I'm going to grind and get freaking 5 nuclears. Anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe for more videos just like this. Link in the description. Bye. See you in the next one. Peace out.